Okay, so today we're playing the snare AT for the middle school ATSSB. Christian, can we go ahead and just kind of play through it? I just want to see what you have right now. Just starting at the cuts. Okay, missing? Music? Alright. You're good. Did you start right there at the... right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just run these first four measures again. And let's go ahead and play the flams.
Okay.
And bring out the rules a little bit more.
So I was playing right there, right? The rules.
Let me hear. I want to hear it again. So it's going to be... let me get my shoe. It's a whole 16 note. So think about it. The reason that they're called 9-stroke rolls is because it's 9 strokes in the whole roll. So how many notes are in a 16 note?
16.
How many, like in like a group of 16 notes, of 4 16 notes, how many are there?
8. 4.
So if we add the rolls and we add the doubles, a 1E and a 2E and a 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we got to add that downbeat. That's the whole point of the 9-stroke rolls, to add the downbeat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you do that? Just that slow. Go. Go. A little bit faster. Go. 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 Okay, we're gonna go a little bit faster. Go. 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 Come back. Let's go ahead and just smash it real quick.
My bad.
You're good. Now let's do a call and response. So I'll play and then you'll play. Nice, nice. Sounding a lot better. You see, you kind of fill them now. Does that make a little more sense with why they're called 9-stroke rolls? Okay, so cool. Let's go ahead and let me hear those first, up until the first 16-note triplet. So flam, 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 9-stroke roll, 9-stroke roll. 1, 2, ready, go. Two, 3. So pra, 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 da, pra, da. Just make sure I'm looking at it right, because it's written a little bit different. Get that. Pa, pa, pa. Get that. Yeah, so those are actually eighth notes. So it's clap, 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 digga 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 da, digga 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 da. Clap, 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 digga 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 da, digga 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 da. So these are and one and one and sorry. And one and digga 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 da, digga 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 da. Digga 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 da, digga 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 da. Yeah, it's written weird, but everything's kind of on the upbeat. And one and digga digga and one and two and what? That's weird. All right. Okay, let's just play it like normal. 1, 2, 3, 1. Or 1 E and a 2, 3 and a 4 E and a just to kind of get just some basics, and then we kind of look on it in a little bit, just because I want to look a little bit more into this music and kind of get a good general explanation of it. So, 1, 2, 3, digga 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 da, digga 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 da. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready go. 1. Yeah, a little bit digga 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 da. Let's go a little bit faster here. Digga 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 da, digga 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 da. 2, ready go. Let's go ahead and double them though. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah. Good. So let's go ahead and start the beginning of that. Plop, plop, plop. Take it. 1, 1, 2, 3. Digga 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 da. Digga 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 da. So clap, clap, clap. Digga 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 da. Digga 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 da. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Close. This is your eighth note. This is not your quarter note. 1, 2, 3. Digga 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 da. Digga 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 da. 1, 2, ready, go. Careful. I know. Let's just treat those first 3 notes as quarter notes. So 1, 2, 3. Digga 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 da. Digga 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 da. Makes sense. So I'm clicking your eighth note, and then those first 3 we're gonna treat as quarter notes. Ta, ta, ta. Digga 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 da. Digga 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 da. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. Yeah. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. Nice. All right, so let's move on to the next one. So we're gonna kind of move on from the accidentals just a little bit. I'm not gonna play them just yet. I want to kind of tackle the bass for them a little bit more. So, shake it da, shake it da, take 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 it da. So let's just try 1 16 note triplet into it upbeat. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Now we're gonna do 2 of them. Take it to da, take it to da. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. Last time, ready, go. Nice. Now we're gonna add in the next. I just want to play the next measure. Take it to da da. Take it to da da. Bagada 1 and bagada 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. Bagada 2 and 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 last time. Cool. Can we go ahead and do bagada da, bagada and bagada 2 and 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Bagada and bagada 2 and 1, 2, again, go. Bagada and bagada 2 and 1, 2, again, go. Bagada and bagada 2. Nice. So let's go ahead and add in what we just played before that. 1, 2, 3. Diggity diggity da. Diggity diggity da. Diggity diggity da. Diggity diggity da da da. Make sure that roll connects to that first 16 note triplet. So 1, 2, 3, 1 and diggity diggity da. Diggity 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 da. Diggity da. Diggity da da. 1, 2, ready, go, and 1. Nice. Let's do it one more time. Careful with hesitating between that roll.
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Nice. Let's do that one last time, and then I want to move on to the next line. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Cool. Let's move on to the next line. So let's just play these first two measures. 1, 2, and a 3. 1, 2, and a 1, 2, and a 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. Last time, ready, go. Next measure. Paradiddle, paradiddle, 1, 2, ready, go. Paradiddle, paradiddle, 1, and a go. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Can we play the next measure with it? Paradiddle, paradiddle, pa 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 pa. Paradiddle, paradiddle, 1 E and a 2 and 1. 1, 2, ready, go. Paradiddle, paradiddle, 1 E and a 2 and just that second this measure. So when we add in that flam, it's going to be a flam. It's called a flam accent. So let me go ask you.
So you don't want me to play with the flams right now?
Not yet. I just kind of want to get the accents down first. I feel like those accents are more important than the flams just right now. We're going along pretty well, so I think we can start adding in the flams pretty soon. But
Okay.
just want to add this in first. Again, play with me. 1, da 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 da. 1, 2, ready, go. Ba. Ba. 1 E and a 2 and 1 E and a 2. 1 E and a 2 and close. There's still a downbeat. It's just your accent is on the E. 1 E and a 2 and 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 so this is the challenging part. It's kind of one of the parts Mr. Swift was talking about with it, like this is hard. Is because the actual rudiment is the measure, like I said, the rudiment's a flam accent. It kind of flows. With a flam, it may make it a little bit easier. It may make a little more sense, but let's not add in the flams just yet, just to keep consistency with the rest of the piece that we're learning right now. So boom, bop, boom, boom, boom. So see that? Just straight 16 notes, keeping everything pretty low except for the accent on E. So E and a 1, E and a 1, E and a 1, E and a go. So careful. Start with your right hand. So let's do right hand eighth notes. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. Cool. Keep that going. your first left-hand entrance a little bit louder. Accent your first left-hand entrance. Yeah. Unka, unka. Yeah, take it that slow. Let's take it that slow. Yeah, yeah. Keep going. Just keep doing that. Just put that on a loop. Time. Keep going. Cool. Let's see it up a little bit. Yeah. Cool. A little bit faster. Again. You're close. You have it. You have it. Don't overthink it. 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah, that's it. Again. 1, 2, ready, go. Careful. Make sure we're not going. Make sure we're not getting an accent on that second left-hand entrance. The Make sure it's think about you're wanting just a second one to pop out, just a second note, just the E. One E and a, one E and a, one E and a, one E and a. Say it with me. One E and a, one E and a, one E and a. Yeah, one E and a. Play it. 1 E, 2. Play it 2. Ready, go. Keep going. Just keep put on the loop. This is just your eighth note. Last time, ready, and stop. Cool. So yeah, that worked really well. So let's put paradiddle, 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 1, 2, 1. Go ahead and play it for a second. Figure it out. Yeah. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Last time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Last time. 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah. Let's add those measures. Let's add two measures before. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah. 1, 2. That was good. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, 1, 2. Shake that 1 off. Ready, go. Yeah. One more time. One last time. 1, 2. Last time. Ready, go. One more time. Bring out that accent just a little bit more. Everything else sounded good though. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. One more time. Don't overthink it. 1, 2, let's slow down a little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Nice. You want to try to do it a little bit faster? All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Sweet. Let's move on to the next measure. 1 and paradiddle, 1 and paradiddle. Actually, I think we can play the next 3 measures. So right, so 2 rights on an eighth note, and then a right-handed paradiddle, 2 lefts on 2 left-hand eighth notes, left-hand paradiddle, paradiddle, paradiddle 1. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Paradiddle, paradiddle 1. Again, that was good. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Last time, ready, go. Yeah. Ta 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 ta. You play those last 4? You play those last measures? Ta 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 ta. So this one all the way to the end, because we've actually played all of this before. So this is kind of just a recap to end it all. So, sha ta 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 paradiddle ta 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 ta. Oh, actually, it's ta-ta-ta, yeah, ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta, ta. Ta. Let's do it a little bit slower. Ta, ta-ta-ta, ta, 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 ta-ta-ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Sorry. Pa, 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 pa. 1, 2, this is your 8th note. Close. Sa ta 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 shake it ta shake it ta ta. 1, 2. You want to speed it up a little bit?
Yeah.
All right. Shake it ta 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 ta.
That parallel.
Yeah, it's just the same. Yeah, it's kind of interesting because we added a measure, and then because we added a measure right here, so it's like group of 2, then a group of 2 that's different, then that same group again. So let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and ready and go and. Yeah. You want to try it from the top?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, start again. 1, 2. Now this is your 8th note. 1, 2, ready, go.
Start.
1, 2, ready, go. Want to start over?
Yeah.
All right. Let's play those 2 measures. Let's play that ticket ta 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 dee da dee da ticket ta ta. So we're gonna play just these 2 measures together. Ticket ta 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 za za. 1, 2, eighth note, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay. Take it to ta ta ta. Take it da. Take it da. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Take it to ta ta ta. Take it da. Take it da. 1.
You don't mess up on the rolls.
It's okay.
Understand.
So. I'll play it with you. Ta 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 ta. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, 2, that was good. 1, 2, ready, go. Speed it up. Oh. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah. Just make sure you say that roll all the way to the end. Ta. Let's hear it. Yeah, from the top. We're pretty much done. So from the top, let's get one more run through it, and then we'll be done. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Killed it. Everything was right. Next week we'll start adding in. We'll work on adding in the accidentals.
I think it's this week though.
Is it this weekend?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can meet up with you one more time this week.
Okay. Yeah.
So, all right. Well, thank you, Christian.
I could probably skip my soccer practice tomorrow.